Other than the 2 frame racks, I have the CTR9 spot welder. I have the aluminum repair machine, and I think that's it for now. Really, the usage of it was very easy. Almost anybody can get on here and with little to no training could start almost pulling frames. It does take a little bit of knowledge of doing it before, but yeah, it's just a real easy machine to help you pinpoint accuracy, get insurance to pay you properly for the work you're performing. Once you get used to setting up the stands to hold the frame in place, you know where to pull. It kind of almost shows you where to pull. You can watch it real time pulling, so it makes it real fast to work with the frame machine. I like where you can blow up the bullseye so you know how far you're out, and then you can watch it as you pull and over pull, so when the spring back comes back you can kind of get it where you need it. I really like that feature probably the most. On the frame machine, it's really helped because I can give them printouts of pinpoint accurate of where their frame is, where it should be. I have some customers that like to build their own totals, and so we'll pull the frames. I can give them printouts. They can go back to their shop, take the car back to their shop, assemble it, and then I know that I'm not going to run in and have to bring the car in, re-pull it because it's not quite where it's supposed to be. So it just lets us know it's exactly where the OEM specifications have it to be marked as, and so then they can just put it together easily. And so I have no comebacks on that.